Are you still worrying about the size of the picture file? How to compress image files while ensuring that the image quality is not lost. Today I will introduce you a tool to solve your problem smoothly. Let's learn how to use it together. First, find the online tool of Image Compressor. Let's take a look at the comparison chart on the website. There is almost no difference in the quality of the pictures before and after. There are also recent evaluation articles below. The first step is to upload the pictures we need to process. Here we will see the initial image size. The second step is to click Download. There is no difference in picture quality before and after processing. The image file size has become much smaller. Come and experience it.